See, I will show you how to draw a house. Okay. First, keep a triangle. Okay. And draw a line like this and close it. Okay. Now draw like this and like this and close it. Is it okay, or you want to draw it
I
little
want to
bigger?
draw again.
Okay, that you can do that. You keep some distance, because here what we'll do now, here we'll put one door and window. Very good. Now you close like this.
Okay.
And draw a line parallel to this and up to same height, and finish it like this. Kitchen lamp. Okay, now draw a door. Okay, we'll put like this. Okay, some design. Draw a line in between here. Very good. Now this is the door, right? Now I will draw a window here. Okay, just put one square and place like this. Okay. Okay, and here also you can draw two big windows. Good. So this is our house. You want to draw steps to the house, so that we can draw like this. Put one rectangle and one more rectangle and three rectangles like this. And draw like this and finish off this one. So what you did, right? So little bit, this one will come this side. This one will come here. Okay, so the length will shoot. Then you draw a parallel here and close this one. Very good. Okay, so this is the house. Got it? Now we
Dad,
can.
can you like ice cream too?
Yeah.
After
So
ice cream?
let's finish. So beside the house, they have one tree. Okay, let's draw the tree. So for the tree, you put like this. Okay.
Oh, like the ice cream?
So you might feel like that, but yeah, this is a tree.
Okay.
You want me to show again? Okay, like this. You draw it here. So beside this house, they have a tree. Okay, now see, draw like this. Okay, see here there are two branches. Okay, so this one should come like this. Okay, and I also close it. Okay, this is the tree. Okay, now this the down you can close it. You closed it. That's fine, and we can put some grass also. Okay, draw the grass.
I want to put throw grass.
First, yeah, put the grass like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Beside here one, and here one. Okay. If you want, you can draw 3 also. One like this, one like this, one like this. Draw it. So I will keep some more grass. Okay. See this one I'm keeping like a river or pond nearby. See this one, I am keeping a river or pond nearby. There is a river, is a small pond, water stream is going in front of their house. Yes, so you can start from here also. Okay, yeah. So draw one more line. Draw one more line. Okay. That's okay. And now you see here. So this is the house. Okay. We'll draw a two hills. There are two hills. Okay. You can draw like this also. Okay. Put one M like M. Okay.
Oh.
See one triangle and one more triangle. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So where the water is coming, you can think that coming from here. But yeah. So these are the hills. Make it bigger one. You want to draw a little bigger because hills are big, right? So yeah, you can write little more bigger. Okay. Now we'll draw a sun. Here they have a sun.
I can draw a sun.
The sun should be in between the hills. Okay. Then it looks good. Okay. Yeah. You can put those things also. These are the sun rays. Okay. Now we can draw two birds also. Like birds are flying. Like this. Right?
3 birds I want to be.
Beside the sun. Now here. 2 birds here. 2 birds here. Two birds. I put this side also. You can also draw that. So this hills, right? We can write bigger. I told, right? You can write bigger. Okay. Now here also 2 birds. Very good. Now, can I show you how to draw a fish? Okay. Now see, draw like this and like this. Here. Okay. Wherever the place you have, yeah. Can show it one more time.
Look it. Is this
See,
the fish
wait.
tail?
No. First, draw a curve like this and draw a curve like this.
Curve?
Yeah, one curve and one upper curve and down curve. I can do that. Okay, will you draw? Now let draw a fish tail. Tail you should draw like this. First is this curves, right? Should have a sharp nail. I'll show you. So first
Oh, I got it.
take two dots here. So in between this only you should draw upper one and one down one. Okay.
I got it.
Then put this tail. Tail you saw that, right? Like this, like this. Yeah, that's fine. But what I was expecting is, so this one.
Oh, have to be sharp?
This should be sharp. Okay, and then you finish it off like this. This is a face, right? This also should be a little bit sharp. Next time you can draw like that. Okay. So let me remove this one. Yeah, you got it right. So this is a face, right? You should be little sharp. Okay. Now put one eye and see in that circle little bit I filled it. Now see you put like this one curve. Okay, here you write 1M and in here also you can write 1M.
Oh, the hands?
Yeah, now you can draw like this. Okay, so this is the fish. Okay, you can color it later.
Okay.
Okay,
Can you show the last two? Ice cream at mermaid?
ice cream. Yeah, so for ice cream you draw a triangle like this.
Okay.
And close like this. Okay, now so on the top you will draw how you draw first. Very good. On the top you draw like this. Then you can do some more little better how I'll tell you. So first think that this is one curve only, okay, but here little bit like this and like this.
Okay.
You do that. Okay, yeah, so here draw some horizontal line and some vertical lines. Yeah, this is pretty good. Okay.
Now a
I
mermaid,
think,
please.
yeah, that we'll see in the another video. Okay.
A mermaid.
Yeah, another lesson we'll draw that.